And in some breaking news that's coming in, Mirror now has accessed the forensic report related to the Bhandara hospital fire tragedy in which 10 babies died last month. Now, the report is basis CCTV footage from the hospital and says how nurses and hospital staff were unaware of the fire for 20 minutes and that no one was present at the nurse station outside to the sick newborn care unit. However, even a month since the incident, the Maharashtra government has still not filed an FIR. As per government sources, a course of criminal action will be decided after final forensic report. Disha is joining us for more details. Disha, it seems to be one excuse after the other as far as the Maharashtra government is concerned over this entire issue, over this entire incident. In fact, initially they had said after the first report comes out, the action will be taken. Now they're talking about a final forensic report. Only after that will action be taken.
Well, that's right, Avni. It's the only matter of delay here that we are looking at as far as the Bhandara fire incident is concerned. Because remember, on 9th of January, this incident happened where 10 newborn babies were killed. After that, of course, a committee was set up, probe committee was set up. And then on 21st, the committee submitted its report where action was taken against 7 hospital staff, but only in terms of either suspending their services or terminating their services, but no FIR was filed at that point in time. Later now, what we know for the fact that the forensic science lab's report is out, this is what we have accessed, and major shocking details have come to light. First and foremost, these were the details that were not even mentioned in the probe committee's report as far as certain minute details are concerned. For instance, the fire, as per the CCTV footage which was retrieved by the lab here in concern, it clearly shows that the fire started due to a short circuit in an AC duct area on the second floor where this particular ward was there. And if you talk about the Maharashtra committee's report, it says the other way around, that the fire started at a baby warmer. So here, of course, we are looking at two discrepancies that are coming to light. The nurses that were supposed to be present at the nursing station, they were absent for 20 odd minutes. So for 20 minutes, they did not realize that the fire really broke out on this ward. The babies were seen crying. The babies were seen helpless over there, and the area was covered with smoke. The other major, finding that we have access here is the fact that the nurses were sleeping at least 50 to 60 meters away from the ward. The nurses who were supposed to be there just outside, they were sleeping at least about 50 meters away from the ward in concern. So that is, of course, another major finding that the forensic lab has really put out. This is only the first part of the report, is what we understand. The final report by the forensic lab will be submitted only after 2 days, because they are yet to retrieve 2 more CCTV footages that they have got from the hospital itself. As far as the FIR is concerned, when we question the Maharashtra government as to why there has been a delay, because we clearly know that these are the people, 7 people against whom the action has been taken. So why there is a delay in filing an FIR? So he says that they are waiting for the forensic report because that will throw some light about what course of action should be taken against these 7 people in concern.
All right, Disha, thank you so much for getting us all of those details. This is extremely unfortunate that after so long after this entire incident, there is still no FIR that has been filed.